Capisci? Ma qui, I don't think we need to do too much here, because at the end we have light and it's okay. Questo è sempre stato il museo della città. Non è mai stata l'Acropoli, è sempre stato questo il vantaggio. Quindi quest'angolo è esattamente l'angolo più losangelino di Los Angeles. Il segreto qui è rendere permeabile l'edificio. Adesso l'abbiamo reso permeabile il più possibile. Adesso il resto dobbiamo farlo visivamente, con la luce, ma sai, parliamo di cinema, parliamo di motion picture, quindi non è impossibile. We can make a movie. We can make a movie. By the way, what we show there is not literal either. You know, if you put there something like, I don't know, movement, metropolis, things like that. Things about movement, up and down.
That's all projections, all images moving constantly. It's quite busy already.
Yeah, we should understand how they're doing it too. You know.
Now we should understand also after how they work all together.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
To prove that there is a poetry movement, that's what we have to catch.
Yeah.
Big mass is easy.
Yes.
To not be bombarded.
Big mass is easy, but what we are talking about is movement of people there, up and down, and people through that door, looking north.
Renzo, we can open up that wall. There's a possibility, and we have discussed it, of opening up that wall.
That's great, that's great. You know what, Daniel and Jeremy, you should really go around and you should try to find every possible way to break the wall physically. Then we will think about doing virtually. But let's start from making physically. No, that's great, that's great. We can.
We try.
The problem is the restaurant people.
The restaurant people.
They don't want it.
Yeah, I know.
But we had no support.
Let's talk again. Let's talk again. You don't have to go up in there too much to discover Los Angeles. 80 foot is enough. You go up there and you are overlooking Hollywood. It's right where cinema was, right at the corner between Fairfax and Wilshire Boulevard. And in that sequence, of course, the terrace is an essential moment. This is the best place for having a date.
It's very romantic.
Very romantic.
Beautiful.